This is the Logan Museum of Sculpture, which is based in Berryw, a small village in mid Wales, and it has only a few employees, but as I said, it has a very active trustees. Well, I'm really here on false pretenses because I was not the one who benefited from the grant and from the mentoring. That was Anne-Marie, who was our museum director for a time. Via her, we as an organisation benefited because she introduced new things, new ways of presenting information, and she forced us trustees to look at what skills that we had and haven't got and what we were needing. So although Anne-Marie has left, she is greatly missed, there's certainly something left here at the museum from what your organisation supported. The Logan Museum of Sculpture, we did have a museum manager, and she was developing the trustees, the organisation, and trying to bring us into the 21st century. And that was where your organisation could help us. So that included a skills audit of all the trustees, so that we could figure out what we were good at, what we were missing, and most importantly, in case a trustee left, what would we then be looking for in a new trustee? Because of her training, Anne-Marie put in place a number of new ways of delivering trustee meetings, for instance, and delivering reports. And this was especially useful during the COVID pandemic, where we couldn't meet in person, but we had Zoom meetings, and where Anne-Marie had learned some new ways of showing the development in the museum, and I think it brightened up what can otherwise be an incredibly dull Zoom meeting. Focused a lot of the trustees' minds on how they can contribute to the organisation, and it's also made us understand where we might be in need of other skills that we haven't got. It's made us look at some people who suddenly said, "Oh, yes, I do actually have that skill. Maybe that can be used by the museum." So I think in terms of that, it's made the trustees more aware of how they can help out the museum.